Hello, everyone. This is Shani with Elevated United Realty. Selling your home can be a significant undertaking, but with careful preparation, you can enhance its appeal and increase the likelihood of a successful sale. Whether you're a first-time seller or have experience in the real estate market, taking specific steps to prepare your home is crucial. Today, we'll explore 3 key points to help you get your home ready for the market. Number 1, enhance curb appeal. When potential buyers arrive at your property, the first thing they notice is the exterior. A well-maintained and visually appealing exterior creates a positive first impression, setting the stage for a successful home tour. To enhance your home's curb appeal, invest time in landscaping to create an inviting atmosphere. Trim overgrown bushes, mow the lawn, and plant colorful flowers to add vibrance. Inspect your home's exterior for any needed repairs, such as address issues as peeling paints, cracked siding, or damaged roofing. A well-maintained exterior gives the impression that the entire property is in good condition and reassuring buyers about the quality of their potential investment. Upgrade your front door and entryway to make a lasting impression. Consider a fresh coat of paint, a stylish welcome mat, and well-placed potted plants. Number 2, declutter and depersonalize. Buyers want to envision themselves living in your home, and that's easier to do when they can see the space without distraction. Follow these steps to declutter and depersonalize your home. Start by decluttering each room. Remove unnecessary items and furniture to create a sense of spaciousness. Consider renting a storage unit for excess belongings or items that may distract potential buyers. Pack away personal items such as family photos and unique decor. Depersonalizing your space allows buyers to visualize their own belongings in the home, making it easier for them to imagine living there. Give your home a thorough cleaning. Pay attention to details like dusty corners, smudged windows, and scuffed baseboards. A clean and well-maintained home suggests to buyers that the property has been cared for and is in move-in ready condition. Number 3, highlight key features. Consider professionally staging to showcase the potential of each room. Stagers can arrange furniture and decor in a way that maximizes space and highlights key features, helping buyers see the full potential of your home. Make minor upgrades to key areas like the kitchen and bathrooms. Update fixtures. A fresh coat of paint or modern hardware can make a significant difference. These small investments contribute to a higher perceived value of your home. Ensure your home is well lit during showings. Natural light is particularly appealing, so open curtains and blinds to let it in. Consider adding ambient lighting in darker areas to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. By taking these 3 key steps, you will only enhance your home's appeal, but also increase its market value. Call or email me with any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.